User privilege refers to the authorization management of different types of users to ensure the security and reliability of an information system. It involves defining the scope of operations and privilege levels that users can perform within the HMI system. Typically, user privilege are divided into multiple levels, such as regular users, administrators, super administrators, etc. Additionally, managing user privilege should involve regular auditing and updates to ensure the security and stability of the system. The steps to set user privilege are as follows. Navigate to Settings. System Settings. User privilege from the menu bar, then click Add in the pop-up dialog box. Configure the relevant parameters in the pop-up dialog box, then click OK. Here's a brief description of each parameter. Username. Maximum length should not exceed 32 bytes. Initial password, only numbers, with a maximum length of 12 digits. Logout time. After reaching the logout time, the user will need to re-log in to their account. Check the box to assign this privilege. Privilege, no. The privilege number, with a value range of 1 to 32. Description, a brief description of the privilege. Set whether to store the password in plain text and whether to enable command operation, then click OK. Here's a brief description of each parameter. Store password in plain text. If this option is enabled, the password is stored in plain text, allowing the password value to be read using commands. Enable command operation. Check this option to enable command operation and set the word address register. For the meaning of the value of the word address register, please refer to the interface information.